Building wealth from nothing is not just a dream, it is a reality that many have achieved. With determination and the right strategies, anyone can start from zero and build a fortune. The journey may be long and challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine starting with no money in your pocket. You have no assets, no savings, and possibly even some debt. Yet, you can still climb the ladder to financial freedom. It all begins with a single step. This guide will show you how to take that step and keep moving forward. The key to building wealth is not just about making money. It's about making smart choices, being disciplined, and staying committed. You will learn practical tips and hear inspiring stories. These will prove that building wealth from nothing is possible. Your mindset is the foundation of your financial success. How you think about money can make or break your journey to wealth. A positive and proactive mindset will help you overcome obstacles. It will keep you motivated even when times are tough. Financial education is equally important. Understanding how money works is crucial. You don't need a degree in finance. Simple concepts like budgeting, saving, and investing are enough to get started. There are many free resources available to learn these basics. Start by setting clear financial goals. Know what you want to achieve and by when. Write these goals down and review them regularly. This will keep you focused and on track. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Believing in yourself is crucial. Many successful people started with nothing but a dream and a strong belief in their abilities. With the right mindset and financial knowledge, you can join their ranks. Stay positive, stay educated, and stay committed. The first step to building wealth is cutting down on expenses. Look at your current spending habits. Identify areas where you can cut back. This might mean eating out less, canceling subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for daily needs. Create a budget and stick to it. A budget helps you track your income and expenses. It shows you where your money is going and where you can save. Start by listing all your sources of income. Then, list all your expenses. Compare the two and adjust as needed. Saving money should be a priority. Even small amounts add up over time. Open a savings account if you don't have one. Set up automatic transfers to this account. Treat your savings like a bill that must be paid every month. Look for ways to increase your income as well. This could be through a part-time job, freelance work, or selling items you no longer need. Every extra dollar you earn can go towards your savings. Remember, the goal is to spend less than you earn and save the difference. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth. But what if you have no money to invest? There are still options available. Many investment platforms now offer ways to start investing with little or no initial capital. Consider micro-investing apps. These apps allow you to invest small amounts of money. Some even let you start with just a few dollars. Over time, these small investments can grow significantly. It's a great way to get started without needing a large sum of money up front. Another option is to invest your time and skills. Learn about stocks, real estate, or other investment opportunities. Knowledge is a valuable asset. Use it to make informed decisions when you do have money to invest. Look into peer-to-peer lending platforms. These platforms connect borrowers with investors. You can start by lending small amounts to individuals or businesses. The interest you earn can be reinvested, helping you grow your wealth over time. Section 5. The power of networking and mentorship. Networking is a powerful tool in building wealth. Surround yourself with people who are financially successful. Learn from their experiences and insights. Attend networking events, join online forums, and engage with communities focused on financial growth. Mentorship can make a significant difference. Find a mentor who has achieved what you aspire to. A mentor can provide guidance, support, and valuable advice. They can help you avoid common pitfalls and stay on the right path. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Many successful people are willing to share their knowledge. Building relationships with these individuals can open doors to new opportunities. It can also provide you with the motivation and encouragement you need. Networking and mentorship are not just about gaining financial knowledge. They also help you build confidence and develop a positive mindset. These relationships can inspire you to keep pushing forward, even when faced with challenges. Section 6. Exploring side hustles and gig economy. Side hustles are a great way to increase your income. They offer flexibility and the opportunity to earn extra money. The gig economy has made it easier than ever to find side hustles. From freelance work to ride sharing, there are many options available. Identify your skills and interests. Look for side hustles that align with them. This will make the work more enjoyable and sustainable. For example, if you enjoy writing, consider freelance writing or blogging. If you have a car, look into ride-sharing or delivery services. Start small and gradually scale up. Don't overwhelm yourself with too many side hustles at once. Focus on one or two that have the potential to grow. As you gain experience and build a client base, your income will increase. Use the extra income from your side hustles wisely. Invest it, save it, or use it to pay off debt. The goal is to use this money to build your wealth, not just to increase your spending. With dedication and hard work, side hustles can significantly boost your financial growth. Section 7. Real-life success stories. Many people have built wealth from nothing. Take, for example, Chris Gardner. He went from being homeless to becoming a successful stockbroker. Another inspiring story is that of J.K. Rowling. She was a single mother living on welfare before she wrote the Harry Potter series. Her books have since sold millions of copies worldwide. Then there's Jan Koum, the co-founder of WhatsApp. He grew up in a poor household and faced numerous challenges. But his passion for technology led him to create one of the most popular messaging apps. These stories prove that it's possible to build wealth from nothing. Let these examples inspire you to start your own journey today. Section 8. Overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Building wealth from nothing is not easy. You will face challenges along the way. There will be times when you feel discouraged or overwhelmed, but it's important to stay motivated and keep pushing forward. Remember why you started and what you hope to achieve. Setbacks are a part of the journey. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Every successful person has faced obstacles. What sets them apart is their ability to persevere. Stay focused on your goals and don't let temporary setbacks derail you. Find ways to stay motivated. Surround yourself with positive influences. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos that inspire you. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every step forward is a step closer to your goals. Keep a journal of your journey. Write down your successes and challenges. Reflect on your progress and learn from your experiences. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and stay committed. Section 9. Conclusion. Take action today. Building wealth from nothing is possible. It requires determination, the right strategies, and a positive mindset. Start by educating yourself about finances. Cut down on expenses and save money. Explore investment opportunities and side hustles. Surround yourself with supportive people and stay motivated. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Financial freedom gives you the ability to live life on your terms. It provides security and peace of mind. Take action today and start your journey to building wealth. Remember, every small step counts. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now with what you have. The most important thing is to keep moving forward. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve financial success. Your journey to building wealth starts today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We bet you'll love the 2 videos appearing on the screen. Go ahead and click on one of them now to continue gaining financial and investment knowledge.